Welcome back to another some video. Now there's a very interesting information that I want to pass along to anybody who is watching this video, and this should personally apply to any website or any application you're going to be using. Now the first important thing is, if you're using any website or any application, the first important thing that I will recommend is for you to navigate your way straight to the customer service menu. Now when you have a direct communication with the customer service, you're basically going to be saving yourself a whole lot of stress. The main important thing that I'm making this video is that a lot of people out there don't even know how to communicate with the customer service on the CX.io application. That's one good reason why I said to make this video. Now, this is to teach you guys how to basically navigate your way to the customer service, because whenever you encounter any problem, you go straight to the customer service, you complain every single thing to them, and then they can help you out. A whole lot of issue can basically come out when you're using an application or any website. Either you basically lost your funds, or you send some funds into your account and it did not reflect. Now, this is one of the easiest things you basically need to do. You can go straight to the customer service and communicate with them. Also, if you have any problem in general with the CX.io application, do make sure to let me know, all right? So the first important thing is that I want to be jumping right straight into my mobile phone. I'll teach you guys how to basically use the CX.io application and go to the customer service menu and also get to basically communicate with them. Now, this is one of the easiest things you can do with the application. And aside this, there are a whole lot of things you basically can do. My next video, I'm going to be showing you guys some assets that have recently been added to the CX.io application, and you can use this to change your portfolio. This is one of the easiest platforms that you can basically get your hands on right now and make a whole lot of money from. So if you're watching this video, you basically want to make money with the CX.io application. This particular video is all about how to communicate with the customer service in case you encounter any problem. But my next video is to teach you guys how to basically deposit and also how you can follow up with the latest assets that are being added up to the CX.io. So if you're watching this video, guys, stick around as I'm going to share with you guys things you basically need to know and how you can benefit from them. So if you basically come over to your mobile phone, the first important thing is for you to have the application downloaded. Now, if you come to your app store, here is what you're going to be doing. You can basically just type in CEX and then .io, or you can click on the first link I'm actually just going to provide for you. You're basically going to be able to create an account. Now, once you come over here, if your own is outdated or if you don't actually have the application download, make sure to have it downloaded. Now, click on it to basically open up your app. And once you open up your app, the first important thing that you basically need to know is that by this section right here, this is where you basically get all the setting menu from. So once you get to click on it, right, click on this section, you're going to be seeing right here where you can basically increase your limit. I'm going to also make a video to show you guys how to basically increase your limit in my next video, but right now let's scroll down. Now right down here, you're going to see right here they say contact support. All right, so by clicking on the contact support right here, you can see there is going to be a pop-up message for you, and right over here, hi there, how can we support you? So there's some other things you basically need to know. So right here, the following countries and territories are not currently supported by CX.io. You can basically check that right here. And also how to restore access to your CX.io account if you lost authenticator. You can actually see that right here. Now on the other hand, you can see crypto withdrawals in the CX.io application. You can actually check all that information right here. That is one thing I want you guys to basically know about the customer service. And if you actually want a direct message, you can click on the message section or the help section. These are just some few tabs which already been saved up right here. Now verification, right? Verification guide, identity verification, which is also provided. You can see the following countries which are also still provided. All right, now these are the menus, and if you basically want to chat with the customer service, you want to have a direct communication with them, click on this icon, come over right here and then click on the send a message. All right, you can basically see right here by clicking on this icon, you're basically going to be able to like send them a direct message and communicate with them. You can see right here our support team works from 6 till 22 GMT. Please pay attention, we won't reply outside our working hours. So you're basically going to be getting all the reply within their working hours. If you are basically texting them with outside their working hours, they're basically not going to be replying to you. So this is one important thing you basically need to know. While on the other hand, you can see the help section right here, where you can basically see right here. All right, so these are some few tabs, spot trading and some other things which you can basically come over to the CX.io application to get more info about. Now the help section basically help you to know more about the CX.io application, and this is how you're basically going to be able to like help yourself and navigate yourself through the application. Now, in case you have any problem, like I said, hit them up, let them know in the comment section, and they're going to basically help you out as fast as they can. Please try as much as possible to communicate with them within their working hours so that you do not encounter any problem or you do not have any delay. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video out with anybody who's super interested, and also like, comment, and subscribe, guys.